What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish coming back with another vlog video. I'm kind of liking these type of videos. It's like all around and showing you guys everything kind of. But it's a big video. We're finally monetized. Thank you so much. We've been monetized for like 2 weeks, but we're finally putting that video out there, and I promised you guys a giveaway. So in the comments, put all your suggestions. I need all your help, whether it's like custom Rish gear, you know, with your name or some other things you want on it. Any like a plain shirt, custom shit you want, banners for your car, stickers because it got the vinyl cutter, anything, gift cards, something. Alright guys, so another big addition to the channel, a little help from our sponsor Marcus from Heel Toe. Big shout out to him. He's giving us a 5% discount code, all caps Rish without the money sign, R-I-S-H, all caps. 5% off, $1,000 order, you get $50 off. That could be your whole shipment. A little goes a long way, so big shout out to him. Go check them out, go use the discount code. It'll show us that the traffic is going both ways, you know. So big shout out to that, and we're finally monetized, guys. So drop them suggestions and drop the thumbs up. Big shout out to you guys. I'm trying to give back. We're just trying to do more. So I appreciate you guys, and more to come. After driving a little bit, the car is feeling a lot smoother and just peppier and just overall better. And I definitely noticed a difference with the bull and all that. Trying to raise me again, bro? I bet it won't be the same outcome. Definitely not. If you guys are liking the TSX content and enjoying all the improvements and the new build, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the Rish gang. We are growing. We're just trying to do bigger and better things constantly. I plan on doing boost on this build down the line. Leave a thumbs up, guys. Make sure you guys watch the video all the way through. It'll mean a lot. Biggest support you can do. And yeah, to more TSX content. It's like neck and neck now. I just thought. What this means. I'm about to be bringing this Euro R lip kit to my brother's paint and body shop. Him and his buddy Julio, they got a shop, so kind of plus for me, thankfully. Yeah, look at that. Got in there so nicely. Don't make fun of my like trucker's tan or whatever, because one day at the drift event, guys, got me real crispy on my arms and shit, then I'm white as fuck over here, so that's real fun. But yeah, you guys will be seeing that video pretty soon. It's gonna be up before this video, so yeah. I got this while cutting grass though, so don't think I'm crazy, guys. Legit felt like I got stabbed by this steak. Like this shit was sharp as fuck. Like ran into it, then it just like fucking dug and slid across my throat. So it felt like I got sliced. Shit felt kind of crazy though. I was like, let's go. The car is dirty as fuck. I was supposed to wash it, but I was cutting the grass. That took a little bit while, and I had to take a little break and drink some shit. The car is feeling pretty good overall. I'm definitely gonna have to raise the car up some, especially putting on the like lip kit after it's painted. I don't want to fuck it up and I already be kind of like smacking shit. I love the car, man. It's been feeling great, and I changed up the tune and I set it for the headers and exhaust now and whatever, and it loves the mid to top end a lot more now, and it just feels great overall. So good. I love the tunnel sounds. So we're about to be pulling up right now. If you guys want any body work or painting done, I'll be dropping their Instagrams in the description, so go check it out. As you guys could tell, bunch of work. There's a bunch of shit. Like, this thing is cool. Oh, there's another TSX here. That I gave a bumper for, possibly. Like when I hit you up. Why is your car sitting there like it's in a scrapyard?
Oh, this is all messed up. We're gonna get ripped off the hitch wells here, so the bumper was out like this.
Damn, what the fuck?
This is my job. Fucking like this.
It's pretty annoying. Oh.
Yeah.
It's in pretty good condition and shit. I just gotta get hardware just to be able to put all this stuff on. Well, I'm gonna go look for paint things. Paint stuff. Fucking dope. So if you guys, you know, needing some paint jobs, body work, paint here, mixers. So back here, guys, this is like all the bodywork side and whatever. Then there's the other side where there's the paint booth and a little bit more bodywork side too.
Yeah, how much you gotta chip?
What are you doing in here, dog? Huh?
Your car, babe, is called White Pearl. You know that.
Premium.
Premium.
Oh yeah.
Look at my axle. How about you? See it right there.
One looks like it.
That's all good.
Yeah, for sure. So I got the paint wheel. So if you guys want work done, you guys know where to go. Plugging you in, man. Yeah, this is the other side of the shop. Alright guys, so it's another new day. I just switched out the bolts to my resonator. I started hearing the rattling again, and I go check underneath this morning, and the fucking bolt is missing, and the other ones were getting loose. So yeah, I just bought some Loctite washers and whatever, and the washers were like almost $4.50 each, bro. And shit small as fuck, bro. Shit crazy. But I'm about to head back to my brother's shop so you could compare the paint color and like flake to the lip kit. And I think today or either tomorrow is gonna get, you know, painted. Alright, let's match up the paint so we get this paint started. Things are getting primered. Oh, so it's fully painted right now? It's done? Yeah?
Put primer in it, try with that.
A little bit of clear coat and, you know.
Primer.
So things are getting primered. I don't know, it should be painted today maybe. Do you think you're painting tomorrow? Today? And what time? Just matching up the paint right now.